Hello there! You have now covered all the concepts as a part of this introduction course, and you have now arrived at the final section of this course, which is to build a project out of all the concepts that we have learned so far. So let's go ahead and take a look at the problem statement of the project which we are going to solve. So this is the problem statement of our final project. Let me go ahead and read it. Assume that you are the teacher of a class. Write a Python program to read the names and total marks scored by students of your class of at least 3 or more students. Rank the top 3 students of your class. Provide a cash reward of $500 to the student who secured first rank, $300 to the student who secured second rank, and $100 to the student who secured third rank. The value of a cash reward cannot be modified. Make a statement of appreciation to the students who secured 950 marks and above. Now in the next lecture we will start solving this problem statement, but before you go forward, I want you to give an attempt at this problem statement. Go ahead, give it a try. It doesn't matter whether you get it right or wrong, just test your skills. I can give you some hints on how to approach this problem. Firstly, create a dictionary that holds the total marks scored by the students, and then sort the dictionary in a descending order so that at the beginning of your dictionary you have the student who has secured maximum number of marks, and since the cash reward cannot be modified, the values of cash rewards needs to be a tuple, and then you need to make an if condition check to see who has scored 950 marks and above. Now there are multiple ways to solve this problem. Use the one that fits you the best. Alright, so good luck, and I'll see you in the next lecture after you've given a shot at it. Thank you.